Today, I'm going to be showing you how to start using WhatsApp for business. What we're talking about is a completely separate app that's actually designed by WhatsApp specifically for businesses. You just go into your app store or wherever you get your apps, and you want to search for WhatsApp Business. You just install that, and when you open it up, it takes you to the screen here. Now, you can either sign in with your business phone number, or you can use your personal phone number, and it'll transfer everything from your personal account, if you've been using that only for business dealings, into your business account. Now, it's important to know that you can't then transfer your business account back to personal. It's sort of a one-time transfer. But if you've been using your personal account as your business dealings, you can then transfer it that way. And you can actually have both your business WhatsApp and your personal WhatsApp on the phone at the same time and switch between them seamlessly, but it keeps everything sort of separate on your phone. You could have your personal contacts linked to your personal account, your business contacts linked to your business account, or if you're like me, I have two separate phone numbers on my phone, my business number and my personal number, and I have one linked to personal, one linked to business, and it keeps everything really organized and really separate. Now, where the differences lies is in some of the different things that you can do with this. So if you go right to the middle of the screen, there's a tools section. You can actually create some different elements here that you can't do on your personal. You have a catalog where you can add items, your products or your services. You can also advertise, so you can create ads that go out to your customers that way, and orders. So you can actually have people order and pay for things right through the app, whether that's for appointments, consultations, or selling things, whatever you want, all within there. Those are things you're not going to get on the personal side. And what I like too is in your organize and your chats, you can now create different greetings. So when you get a new customer, there'll be an automatic message that thanks them for becoming a customer and sends them some information. And it can be specific to your business so that you don't have your friends or family contacting you on there and being like, why am I getting a message from your business? You can keep those separate that way. You also have away messages. So you toggle that on and you can schedule this. So let's say you're on vacation for a week, and you can either have it so that you always send that, which is kind of a nice feature to have where, the default is, thank you for your message. We're unavailable right now. We'll respond as soon as we can, just so they get some point of contact back and know that you received it. They have the right number. All of those things are good. Let's talk about the office hours. This is the other great feature. When you go down to manage account, you go to profile. Here, you can set business hours. So we click on that. You could have days that you're open or closed. You could have the times. You could also set always open or by appointment only and save that so that you can distinguish between if people message you outside of business hours, they'll get that automated response. Also, if you have a physical location for people to visit, you could add that address in there. So you see your address down there, you can add the address in there, and then they know what your business hours are and when they can visit your shop. And then while we're in here, you can also add your website, your social media links, all of that within your profile. So another great tool from WhatsApp to be able to manage your business dealings separate from your personal account on WhatsApp. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.